What's going on, everybody? It's Joey back with another video. In today's video, we're going to be doing an unboxing for the New Edge. So let's get right in this video. Alrighty guys, we're going to go ahead and get right in this video and start unboxing this. I've already cut this box here. Bottom box is probably going to be the same exact thing. That's the info on the wheels. As you can see, I got some race stars. I got them in black. They just came in today. The rear wheels should be here, I want to say Tuesday next week. Looks like it's packaged really nice. Comes with a book, it looks like. Let's see. Comes with 2020 catalog. It's got lifetime warranty stuff. Guessing this is all the lug nuts right here. Race Star wheels. Everything's packaged so nice. Got the hubs. Comes with the key and the lug nuts. I may order some black lug nuts. This is all 10 of them in there. They're just the fronts. Probably order black. I don't know. Chrome and black would probably look pretty good. Set this to the side. Get hit off the monitor real quick. Alright, let me get this out the package and I'll be right back. Alright, here it is out of the box. You got the lifetime warranty stuff, set that over here. Got a nice looking wheel cover. I'll be keeping these. Set that to the side. You got the spring to hold on. Moment of truth, baby. Here we go. Damn, son. These might look too good to go in the car. Alright. Let's see. We got one more thing in the box. Check it out. That's good. There it is. Good old center cap. And comes with Allen wrench and the Allen head screws. Let's get this on there. Ooh, damn. Well, there it is. I'm not going to unbox the other one because it looks the same. When the rear wheels get here on Tuesday or Wednesday, I'll do an unboxing on them, throw it up on the channel, and then I'm going to be ordering some tires soon. Still waiting on a few parts to get the motor and everything back together. But alright, everybody, that's going to be it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.